What's up, y'all? We're back with another game day graphic breakdown. This one's against the South Alabama Jaguars, so let's get right into it. So I started out with a black background. I added in our texture and just transformed it to fit the perspective of the floor. Set the opacity to 25% and then added in a shadow in the bottom. I added more shadows here for what's going to be there soon. Then I added in this picture of a Jaguar face, which is not the highest quality picture. I would have liked to have a higher quality picture, but I just couldn't find one that was copyright free. So then I put a filter on it, made it black and white, which when you make something black and white, you can kind of cheat with bumping the contrast a little bit more and makes it look a little more detailed. So then I just used a black brush to kind of paint away the debris that's around his mouth and give him a little bit of shading. Then I just darkened him up with the curves layer, and I added in this picture of Caden Smith to make it look like he's yelling at the Jaguar. And then I bumped up the contrast on him after I put a camera raw filter. So it sort of matches, but Caden's picture is a little more crispy than the Jaguar picture, which makes it look a little bit off, but there's nothing I can do about that. Then I added in our texture with an overlay on top of Caden's face, and then just kind of gave him a little bit of shading around the edges. And then I just used a black brush to shade around the edges of the whole picture of both of them. Then I added in some shadows to the floor where the guys are going to be standing, the game day text, put the gradient overlay on top of it, which you can see it just automatically makes it look that much better, kind of just makes it pop. Then I added in the cutouts, and on them I had 3 inner shadows and 1 drop shadow, basically just to give him like a more of a 3D look, because you can see he looks pretty much like a cutout right there, and then that just kind of makes him look like he's actually standing right there. So then I added in an exposure layer to darken them up a little bit, and I added some shadows with just a black brush around their feet to kind of make their feet blend in with the floor a little bit better. Then I added in a color lookup and our lighting from the top right, and then our color and bottom info, and then the rest of the info. So another pretty simple graphic breakdown. Click on this video right here to see another game day graphic breakdown, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.